Do you want to start investing on shares but you don't know where to begin? Today I will show you exactly how to buy and sell shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange step by step. If you are a complete beginner, this is RX Chabare. I always make more avoidance about investment, businesses, and anything related to video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your eyeballs. And if you are watching me for the first time, go ahead to click this like and don't forget to subscribe. The first step which you need to do is you need to open a CDS account. This is whereby before you buy or sell any shares, you need a central depository account. This is account which always track the shares which you normally own. So to open a CDS account, you will need to go to a licensed stock broker, either online platform. You fill your details and submit your KRI PIN and your ID. The second step which you need to do is you need to choose a licensed stock broker on Nairobi Securities Exchange. You cannot buy shares directly from the Nairobi Securities Exchange. You need a licensed broker. Some popular brokers which you may find them, they are like the Kingdom Securities, the Fading Investment, the Diary, and the Genghis Capital. There are around 14 around of them. So you choose one of them based on what preference which have made you to get attracted onto them. You can choose either based on the raw fees which they always charge, or even if they may be able to offer their services online and good customer support. The third step is about you deposit your fund. After you have opened your CDS, it will usually take around 1 month. For example, me, when I was opening when at around back on 2022, it usually took 1 month and my account was ready. Once your account is ready, you need to deposit your money. Most brokers allow bank transfers, mobile money, or even bank deposit. Always start with money which you are comfortable of investing. Remember that investing is not a must that it is 100% that you are going to get your money back. You are always 50-50. You either gain or loss. So it's upon you. You put the money which you know. Even if you lose the entire money, nothing can happen into your life. The fourth step is about you place your order. Now it's time to buy your first shares. Log in into your broker's trading platform. The second thing which you need to do is search for the stock which you want to buy using the company's name or the ticker symbol. They are usually written the Sacom, Canre. They are not always written in their full name of their capital. So you choose one, and the third step which you need to do is you need to decide on the number of shares and the price and the type of market. Either you can buy immediately or at the current price or limit under, set your own price. Once you have done that, you submit your order, and once your order is executed, the shares will open on your CDS account. For example, if you may decide to open when the Nairobi Securities Exchange has been closed, the money is always carried up into the next trading day. The fifth step you need to do is you need to monitor your shares. Check on your shares regularly. The Nairobi Securities stock always fluctuates, so track your investment and the new affecting on your channel. So for example, back in 2022 or 2020 at the beginning there, the price of shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange was very low. Like for example, for the KPLC, it was trading at around 1.40 cents. That time is the time that I took the advantage of the market. I had invested on the banking sector, but I decided to venture into the energy sector. Remember at that time they were not paying even a single dividend. But today in 2025, at the 10th of October, I am really celebrating the sacrifices which I made during that time. So after you have monitored your stock, either you may decide to sell or maybe when you get into the buying of shares, you may be either get it for the short-term goal or the long-term goals. If it is for the short-term goal, this is whereby you buy the shares when they are at low price and you sell them when they are at high price. But if your goal to get into the shares is about the long term, this is whereby you invest in companies which always pay dividend either twice a year or once a year. It depends what profit they have made. If they have made profit, they always share among their stocks or their shareholders. And that by doing that, you will be able to get dividend or even the capital gain. For example, if you may need to sell, it is simple as buying. You go you on your trading platform, you tap on sell, but this one I cannot recommend you to sell, but it depends with your goal. Why are you deciding to venture into the buying of the stocks? You may be either decide, yes, my financial freedom is that I want to buy this share at, for example, 2 shillings. And once it reaches 10 shillings, I will be able to cash out all my money. And then you go to invest in other places. Buying shares, it is highly volatile. So let me guide you through how you can be able to sell your shares. Selling shares is simply like as buying. You log in into your broker's platform, select on the stock which you want to sell, enter the number and the price of the shares which you need to sell. Then you submit your order, and once your order aligns with that of the market, your shares will be sold to someone who will have purchased them. And by doing that, you will be able to withdraw it into your bank. Like 3 weeks ago, I have already sold my some few companies shares, and after I've sold them, the company has actually frustrated. The price of the shares has actually dropped once, and I already sold mine. So I'm just enjoying the capital gain which I had already made. So, and I'm not recommending you to sell. I did not sold all the shares which I had bought at that time. Trading of shares on Nairobi Securities Exchange sounds complicated at first, but once you follow these steps, it is as straightforward that you found this guide helpful. Like this video, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. May I know what time did you started investing, or what time do you decide to start investing on the Nairobi Securities Exchange? Don't forget to share this video to someone else who may need it for investing. Let's meet in our next video. Don't forget to watch this video at the right bottom here. Bye bye.